Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a conversion on a 1970 Roadrunner AM 8-track. Was an AM 8-track. It's now an AM FM 8-track. This sent in by Rick from Dubuque, Iowa. Thank you so much, Rick, for your business. And so this customer has requested that we wire the conversion to his original connectors, which is fine. You just don't get that massive power increase. The power output would be roughly equal to the radio's original electronics. So let's go ahead and fire this puppy up. And
what else to expect from Iran? So we'll talk about that.
Okay, we're on FM at the moment, so let's go ahead and run her to the end of the dial, go all the way down the dial, make sure we pick up a few FM stations.
And the same actually goes for a lawful permanent resident.
February 12th through the 16th. Center located on...
He demonstrated his love.
Already a member, thank you. And if you're not, well, this is...
Fox.
Practice your comfort.
Okay, here's about 15 so far.
Live from the Relief
Are going fast.
Obvious.
Every time I'm leaving, so glad that you're not. And I still can't focus.
Sure, for the lowest monthly pay.
Take advantage of New Year clear.
Not batteries.
And left their home for a long
Jeez. Well, signal conditions sure are nice today. I counted like 37 or 38 FM stations. So let's go ahead and flip it over to AM. You will hear some hum because my antenna is close to a power line. Okay, we're on AM now. Should be getting 2 weak stations around here.
Of a school going above and beyond to meet the health.
There's 2, and then we get another one around the center of the dial.
This season with rats
and there's that one.
Keep them away, the most humane.
Okay, so we'll go back to FM. Now there's no, this is a 2-speaker system, so there's no virtual fader. So we'll just make sure that our balance control works and that our both speakers are working. Rotate our balance control all the way right, left, right, left. Okay, test our tone control. Alrighty, and of course volume. Okay, let's test the aux input real quick. I'm just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure the radio switches over. There's one side, and there's the other side. And now it'll be 20 seconds before the radio comes back by itself. And that's just because of a Vox circuit that holds on to that aux signal longer than it really needs to, just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between radio and aux between songs or during quieter music passages. So we'll just wait a few more seconds for this radio to come back. There's our radio back, and now let's test the 8-track function. We got some bonanza guitars on deck here. Now this 8-track does have my special preamp in place of the original, so it's going to sound pretty bright. It's going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, now we'll try a little bit of Neil Sedaka, who's, it may seem like the tape's fast, but Neil Sedaka's voice is kind of female sounding. Even out the balance a little bit. Alrighty, and now we're popping just a short piece of Anne Murray so you can check the speed, since this is a little more familiar material. Sometimes when I feel myself reaching for you, can't need it anymore. Okay, I'm going to pull the tape out. Radio should come back immediately. And there's our radio back immediately. So that concludes the test. The only thing left to test is the dial light. So we'll just make sure that works. See if you can. I'm just going to momentarily touch this a few times and make sure that you can see that. Well, it's not very bright on this camera because we've got, but you can see it peeking out the back right about here. You can see it peeking out the top of the radio there that the pilot light is, or that the dial light is coming on and off. So that concludes the test. Everything's working. I'm ready to see what else awaits me on this lovely Tuesday. See if we can find myself. There's myself. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an AM radio. We can add, and we could also add Bluetooth, USB reader if that was what the customer wanted. In this case, the customer wanted for his father, who isn't, obviously older folks aren't really technically up to date on things. So this basically, the radio will work exactly as it did before. With the only FM is pretty much the only thing new on the unit as far as this particular job goes. So you can reach me at 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.